Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So here you can see it. Sorry, there was a problem with your request on your Instagram, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So if you use cellular data, just try to turn off cellular data and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on the phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to Search tab. In Search tab, just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it successfully installs the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.